Good morning. Now let us continue the problems from GNN gallery. Okay. Question. The value of sin square 1 plus sin square 3 plus sin square 5 plus etc. plus sin square 85 plus sin square 87 plus sin square 89. Option A 21 and half, B 22, C 22 and half, and D 23. Question. The value of sin square 1 plus sin square 3 plus sin square 5 plus etc. plus sin square 85 plus sin square 87 plus sin square 89. Option A 21 and half, B 22, C 22 and half, and D 23. Here we have to find out the value of this trigonometric expression. Then first of all we know that the angles in this expression make an arithmetic progression, isn't it? That is angles 1 degree, 3 degree, 5 degree, etc. 85 degree, 87 degree, 89 degree. The angles in this expression make an arithmetic progression. That is 1 degree, 3 degree, 5 degree, etc. 85 degree, 87 degree, 89 degree. The angles in this expression make an arithmetic progression. So, first of all, we find out the number of terms in this arithmetic progression. Then, we can surely say that the number of terms in this expression also the same. Okay. We know that the first term of this arithmetic progression is 1 and common difference 2, and the last term, that is nth term, is 89. We know that the nth term of an arithmetic progression is a plus n minus 1 into d. Using the formula, we find out the number of terms in this arithmetic progression. That is nth term an is 89. We know that an is a plus n minus 1 into d is 89. A, the first term is 1. N minus 1 into d. The common difference is 2 and the last term is 89. Simplifying this expression, we get 1 plus 2n minus 2 is 89. From this we get 2n is 90, and from that n is equal to 45. So the number of terms in this arithmetic progression is 45. So we can surely say that the number of terms in this expression is also 45. So we found the number of terms in this expression is 45. Now just rearrange this expression as the first term plus the last term plus the second term plus the second last term in such manner. Okay. Then we get 22 pairs and an extra term. Okay. Since number of terms in this expression is 45. We get 22 pairs and an extra term. Okay, let us see. First of all, rearrange this expression as first term plus the last term plus second term plus the second last term plus etc. In similar manner, we get 22 pairs and an extra term. The extra term is the 23rd term, that is the middle term, that is sine square 45 is the middle term that gets unpaired. Okay. Now we get 22 such pairs and an extra term. Okay. Now we find out the value of this expression. We know that sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So we get sine 89 is cos 1. Sine 89 is cos 1. In similar manner, sine 87 is cos 3, etc. So this expression becomes sine square 1 plus cos square 1 plus sine square 3 plus cos square 3 plus etc. plus sine square 45. We know that sine 45 is 1 by root 2. So sine square 45 is 1 by root 2 the whole square, that is 1 by 2. Now we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So this, that is sine square 1 plus cos square 1 is 1. Similarly, sine square 3 plus cos square 3 is 1. Okay, so here we get 22 ones. Since the pairs, the number of pairs in this expression is 22, we get 22 ones. That is 1 plus etc. 22 ones. That is, we get 22 ones plus half, that is 22 plus half, that is 22 and half. That is the value of our required expression. Okay. Here we have just taken pairs as the first term plus the last term, second term plus the second last term. Then we get the middle term as get unpaired. Okay. Now, since the number of terms in this expression is 45, we get 22 pairs. Since the value of each pair, we get the value of this pair as 22 plus half, that is 22 and half. So, the value of our required expression is 22 and half. Okay.